Yeah.
Okay, your mic is low, but can you read here for us, Selena?
Revising commas, splices, and
Yep.
fused sentences.
Yep, keep going.
Run-on sentences, two independent clauses joined without the necessary punctuation or
Connective.
word, connective word, grammatically incorrect, two kinds, comma splices, and fused sentences.
Good. Just stay on the mic for a minute, Selena. Can you read this example for us?
Comma splices, two independent clauses joined with just a comma. J.K. Rowling created the character of Harry Potter. She also created Draco Malfoy?
Yep. And then what's the problem?
The problem,
With the sentence.
it's two independent clauses, I think.
Right.
And
And
it's
what's
joined with
yep,
just a comma.
exactly? Yep, that's what it says. And then what's the issue with that? Why can't we do that in our writing?
I don't know.
That's okay. Anyone have an idea of why we can't write like this? Obviously, we know it's grammatically incorrect, right? Like those are the rules, but we also want to know like why is something a grammar rule? We don't want to be doing things just, oh, these are the rules, just accept it, right? Why could this become a problem if we didn't have this rule in writing? Why would this be an issue if we all wrote sentences like this? Ryan, what do you think? What's the issue with it? Oh, you were reading earlier, Ryan. Claire, what's the issue with it? Oh, sorry.
Uh, because it doesn't create like as big of a pause.
Right. And if we wrote like this and there were never any pauses in our work, it would be very hard to keep up with, right? It would look really disorganized. It would be one long, never ending sentence a lot of the time. And it doesn't give the reader the right amount of time to process ideas. So they need that pause with a comma and a connective word to make the ideas make sense together, or maybe it needs a full stop and a new sentence to be created. Tripping over my words here. I need to take more pauses. So the solution here is pretty obvious, right? There's multiple solutions to this issue. What would some of them be? If you were going to rewrite this sentence, what would you do? So you could rewrite the sentence fully in the chat, or you could comment. You can also go on your mics at any time. I believe I have that set correctly. What would be the way to go about this if you were proofreading and you found a sentence like this in your own writing? What could you do to correct it, Ethan?
I would write it as J.K. Rowling created. Oh wait, give me a quick second.
That's okay.
You could write something like J.K. Rowling created the character of Harry Potter alongside Draco Malfoy.
Cool. Okay. That's an option. J.K. Rowling created the character of Harry Potter alongside Draco Malfoy. That sentence, unfortunately, does have a clarity issue. If you hear me say that, Ethan, if we didn't know what Harry Potter was, J.K. Rowling created the character of Harry Potter alongside Draco Malfoy. Where could the confusion be in the way that's written?